Welcome back, Patriots. My name's Carter.
And my name's Ariel.
And this is your Patriot Prime.
Seniors, there will be 2 upcoming grad night events. Information of the 2 will be on the HHS website.
Football season is right around the corner, Patriots. Make sure to follow the Athletics Instagram for information regarding themes.
Latinos Unidos will be hosting Música on the Green during lunch this Friday.
And now for Junior Prom highlights. Auditions for the choir showcase are on September 1st. Talk to Ms. Shanger for more information.
Are you interested in joining any clubs? Club Rush will be held during lunch on the Green on October 31st and 28th.
Homework Club will be starting up again soon in the College and Career Center from 3:30 to 5 o'clock.
And that was your Patriot Prime. My name's Ariel.
My name's Carter.
Stay tuned for your final segment where you can learn how to make a pizza.
Have a good week, Patriots.
Hi, welcome to the Gabby's Cooking Show. Today, we're gonna make some pizza. Come on, let's go. First, you gotta get the store-bought dough out of the fridge. Next, let's get the flour. Next, put your dough on the flour. Also, make sure to put flour on your hands so the dough doesn't stick to your hands. Now, we're gonna roll out the dough. Next, grab your sauce. Next, sprinkle your cheese. Next, we're gonna add our pepperonis. You can do any topping you want, but we chose pepperoni and olives. Next, let's put on the olives. Next, we're going to put the pizza in the oven. Next, we're going to set the timer for 25. Now we're going to take it out of the oven. Now, we gotta wait for it to cool down. Now, we cut the pizza. And that's how you make a homemade